Today, I'm gonna show you 5 apps that you had to have on your phone if you want to make $100 per day while waiting online at a grocery, or if you're like Netflix and chilling, you can actually be making $100 per day from your phone with these 5 applications. You have to wait till the last app. That's the best one, and I saved the best one for the last. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Before we start, my name is Satish from Dallas, Texas. I post videos like these on how to make money, side hustles, and all that stuff every single week on my channel. And you can also go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now if you want to see more videos on how to make money online. I teach that to you every single week. I also own a website called sidehustle.net, so you know I am the king of side hustle. If you haven't yet, subscribe so you don't miss out on that next big side hustle right now. Let's get back on the video. There is one catch, okay? The catch is that you have to have a PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, the first step to getting paid through these applications is creating a PayPal account. So you can go to paypal.com, create a free account. Once you have that PayPal account, you are ready to make money. Keep in mind, watch the entire video. The apps get better and better. Number 5 is the best one. Let's start with the app number 1. App number 1 is called Addapol. So Addapol is an application that you can download on your phone. You can also go ahead and use it on your laptop and computer as well. Once you get on their site, you have to go ahead and download the application first, or you can go ahead and register here as well. And the way it works is every single day they send you 2 surveys based on what you put about yours. They're going to ask you about your name, where do you live, right? About yourself, like, what's your age. If I were you, what I would put on the age is like, over 25. If you put under 25, you're not going to get as many surveys as you would. So go ahead and say that you are over 25, right? And then you are a male or a female, both work fine. You live in the US, Canada. If you can do that, go ahead and put that in, because you'll get the highest paying surveys if you tell them that you live in US or Canada. What I've seen people do is, even if they don't live in US, Canada, they go ahead and say, hey, I live in the US, because how would they know? They wouldn't. You can use a VPN and things like that. They'll send you these surveys every single morning, and you take those surveys, and then in average, you can make out about $25 to $55 through just one survey. It takes about 10 minutes to answer these surveys, but when you are done, you make that $25, $55, and they have a threshold that you have to make about $100 before you can cash out. But I was able to cash out within 3 days, so it's doable. Number 2 app is called StreetBee, like a street and a bee, right? So this app is really cool, because the way it works is this company provides analytic data to companies like Apple, Unilever, Colgate, and stuff like that. They want to find out real information from real human beings. As a bee, what you'll do is you'll start collecting information. So for example, what they do is each morning they will send you a prompt. They will ask you, how are you feeling today? And if you say, I feel bad, or things like that, they'll say, have a nice day. And if you say, I'm having an amazing day, it's like a text, right? It's automatic. Then they'll tell you, hey, can you go get an ice cream today? So you go out and if you feel like it, you want to have some ice cream, right? And they want you to take a video of you getting an ice cream. Or they'll tell you, hey, can you go buy some water? Of course, you'll have to pay for that water. If you need water, you can use that app. You can go ahead and buy that water and film it, right? And then send that video. And guess what happens? They're gonna use that video to make decisions. You have to say, I love this water. This has nice bottling, blah, blah, blah. And guess what? You get paid. And how much do you get paid? You get paid about $100 per submission. The only thing is that they're not gonna send you a prompt every day. It doesn't make sense. You'll get a prompt like every couple days. For example, I tried using StreetBee for almost 2 weeks. I think I got 3 prompts. One of them was for $100, and the other one was, I think, $76 each. That's pretty good too. And they pay out using, they can send you a check, or they can also PayPal you the money as well. So go to streetbees.com and then click on Become a Bee, and then go and sign up, download their app, and you're ready and good to go. The third application is called YouGov, like government. You have to go to business.yougov.com. So pretty much YouGov, they don't actually have an app. You have to do the surveys on your laptop, your computer, like this. You get on the site, pretty simple, right? You just go ahead and click on login, and they'll let you go ahead and sign up as well, and you launch a survey again. And these surveys are more about policy making. These surveys are used by lobbyists. These are used by like policymakers, like government officials, to know what people are thinking. For example, they want to go ahead and create a health policy. They're going to go ahead and launch these surveys to use the surveys to pass a bill or pass a law. And you can be a part of it, and you can actually get paid. You can earn these rewards, and you can exchange these rewards for like gift cards cards and things like that. And what I've seen on this one is that you can make about 25 to 35 bucks. I didn't see anything crazy out there, but still, this is one of the free ways that you can help the community, you can help your government, you can help shape your policies in your city by, answering question on YouGov. So you have to go to business.yougov. Okay, make sense? Let's move on. Okay, so the next one is called Ipsos ISay. It's a pretty funny name. The site is called Ipsos IPSOS ISay. So this site is, again, it's a survey site, and this one pays consistently about 25 to 60 bucks on each surveys. And these surveys are pretty simple. You can do it on your phone. Mostly it's super easy to do it on your laptop, I think. So use your laptop or your iPad, whatever you have. Ipsos ISay, nothing particular. These are just random surveys that companies do to learn about consumers and things like that. They'll ask you for your zip code, your province, whatever you want to call it. They'll ask you for that, and they'll ask you these random topics based on who you are, again. And this one, there's so many surveys that you can access, and you can choose and pick which one you want, and then just answer them, and you can earn these rewards. This one does not pay out cash, but they give you rewards that you can exchange for gift cards, which is pretty much same thing as money. So this is called Ipsos ISay. Try this out. Okay, so I saved the last for the best. App number 5 is called Google Surveys. So it's called Google Opinion Rewards, and you can download it on your iPhone or an Android, and you answer surveys on products that Google already has. For example, Gmail, YouTube, or any new product that Google's about to come up with. You take surveys on that. The reason I think this is the best one, they're all good, but this is the best one because number one, it's reliable. You're gonna get paid from Google for sure. Number 2 is they put out surveys very consistently. Number 3 is that the surveys, they didn't take me more than a minute usually. Some took me a while, like 5-6 minutes, but most of them were like 1 minute, and I got them. And you get these rewards, and you can exchange them for things that you want, or like real money that you can put out on PayPal as well. Here's my advice: download all of these applications. So I talked about Adapul, StreetBeat, YouGov, Ipsos ISay, Google Opinion Survey. I talked about these 5 applications that you can download on your phone right now. And then if you're doing nothing, you're on a train, you're on a plane, and you want to make some extra money, these 5 applications could be used to make that extra money while you're doing nothing. And then I'm going to show you one more way how you can make more money. So what you do is get your parents, get your brothers, get your cousin, get your family members to get this application as well. So your entire family could be making free money taking surveys. That's how easy it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. These 5 applications, I showed it to you. I did so much research on them. And if you want to be the first one to find out about these amazing side hustle, these amazing money making techniques, you have to go ahead and follow me by hitting that subscribe button and hit that bell button, because I want you to be the first one to know whenever I release these videos. Once you subscribe, go to my channel. I posted hundreds of videos on how to make money. I even have a series called 1000 Ways to Make Money Online, where I show you guys how to make money online or locally. I also have a site called sidehustle.net. You can't forget that. Like I said, I am the king of side hustle. And if you want to be on the right side of making money, you have to go ahead and subscribe right now.